Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real. As we all know, Buju Banton was freed 1 week ago today. And yes, we are very excited to have him back. Allegedly, there was a song put out for the state of dancehall now. While social media went into a complete frenzy, his PR, Destined Media, had posted this. Buju was then photographed with producer Lane. With the release of Buju Banton, gospel dancehall artist Chosen had a couple of words to say. He was concerned about what will happen with Vybz Kartel now that Buju Banton is out, and this is what he had to say.
A serious note. Wagwan for the teacher. Sean Star, my brother, big up yourself. Go and hold it here. Andrea. This is my prayer to Vybz Kartel. I pray that you'll accept Jesus as your Lord and Savior. You see, if you're innocent, the whole world say free. Take up your Bible, read every day. Become a learner, kneel and pray. Today maths the equation plane. The calculator, be a smart brain, pray that. Came from Spain. Listen good what the Bible saying. Story told Jesus bear the pain. So we not dead. Gone down the train to a CT scan.
Big birthday celebration for Tifa, whose birthday was earlier this week. Shout out to you, goodie. But she also had a performance where it got a little, you know. Check this clip out here. The Grammys have released their nominations for Best Reggae Album, and they go as follows. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.